TNT continues its off-season rebuilding by acquiring Ed Daquioag from Rain or Shine. The Office of the Commissioner approved the deal between the two sides on Tuesday that will see Rain or Shine get 3 future second-round picks from the Katropa. Under the terms of the deal, TNT will be sending Rain or Shine its own 2020 second-round pick, as well as a 2021 second-rounder acquired from Northport, and a 2022 second-rounder from San Miguel. Daquioag, 28 years old, has been a solid contributor for Rain or Shine this past season, averaging 7.5 points on a 30% shooting from threes, on top of 1.7 rebounds, and 1.7 assists. His minutes, however, took a dive following the emergence of Ray Nambatak this year and the arrival of Ping Exeminiano in the third conference of last season. The 6'1" guard from University of Santo Tomas will be joining his third team after being taken by Meralco in the Special Gilas round of the 2016 PBA Rookie Draft. However, the backcourt situation Daquioag is bound to find himself in at TNT will be even more crowded as he competes for minutes with the likes of Jason Castro, Roger Pogoy, Brian Reyes, rookie Kib Montalvo and newly acquired Simon Enciso.